Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to increase your uh, audio sound volume in Davinci Resolve. Okay, I'm going to be record my audio. Go to Parlate page, click record, then start recording. Hello, this is test video. Hello, this is test video. Hello. Okay, then come back. Then you can see our audio level is too much low. I'm playing this one. Hello, this is test video. Hello, this is test video. So you can easily increase your videos like thing. Select the audio part of separate audio or your audio with your video. Just select like this. Then go to this side. Then you can see like there is an option for volume is here. Second one, select that. Then you can enter anything. I'm going to be set 70 because it is too low. And now play this. Hello, this is test video. Hello, this is test video. Hello. Okay, you can easily do this thing from here, and also you can set this one like this. You can increase your audio like this. Right click, then click on normalize audio levels. Okay, then automatically select this one, sample pick program. Then click normalize. Now play this. Test video. Hello, this is test video. Davinci Resolve automatically set to your video to a good voice at if you uploading your YouTube video to YouTube or anywhere. Davinci Resolve automatically adjust your video for a good audio level. That's it. Now I am set that 17, but Davinci Resolve set it to 20. You can see this. In this way, you can easily adjust your any videos levels. Okay. I'm just deleting this one and also just putting here my video. Right click, you can see the same options is here. Normalize audio levels. You can see it is only increased 0.30%. So that means Davinci Resolve analyze your audio, then set it to a correct volume to that track. Okay guys, if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.